Today is race day.
I don't know where I've been, I don't know where I'm going. Been holding on to the past, but this life.
Just got down to the boat ramp, putting the jet ski in the water. We are running support today for my dad. He's doing a 22-mile downwind stand-up paddleboard race. He's been doing races every weekend for the 3 weekends in a row now. Yeah, super into it. So it's the replacement for the Molokai to Oahu channel crossing. And yeah, we're just running support. So we've got extra water for him in the jet ski, like an extra camelback. And we're gonna link up with him basically around the corner here towards Hanauma Bay. For gear today, it's gonna be a super sunny one, so I've got my long sleeve on. I've got the drifties on because I got the wetsuit liner. I found that long hours on the jet ski really saves on the chafe, just kind of moving around so much on the ocean. So we also have an official support boat tag here. Number 83, that's Dad. Just heading out the channel now. Pretty glassy and clean in here. But I know for sure once we get around the corner, it's going to be hectic. We're just coming around the corner now. Gonna go straight into the wind, right along the cliff. Now, see if I can see where Dad's at. Oh yeah, he's right. Oh, he's coming up. Alright, I just saw him on the GPS super close. He should be wearing really bright orange and yellow. Shouldn't be too hard to spot. Oh, that looks really tough. Woo-hoo! Looks like you're in second. 1 mile behind. We found him. Looks like it is neck and neck for second and third right now, with first place about a half mile to a mile ahead. That guy caught some big waves or something, hammering down, but things are looking good. That's how you win races right there. It's all about trying to catch the little bumps. So you just boost it ahead. That is the key. Whoever can ride the most bumps, stay on their feet the longest, and pick the perfect route wins. Look, you just boosted like 100 feet. It's pretty interesting. It's been nuking 25, 30 mile an hour winds for like the last month, and then for the race, it just dropped down to like 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's pretty crazy.
Oh, there's a wing out there.
Oh yeah, there's foilers going, there's prone paddlers, stand-up paddlers, OC1 kayaks, like all kinds of race going on right now. It's pretty sick. We're gonna follow my dad for most of the race and see if he can't secure second place, or maybe if he's lucky and rides some big bombs, take over first place. But that's looking pretty difficult at the moment. That guy is way ahead. All right, they just came around the corner into Honolulu Bay. It's much calmer here. Still a couple of bumps to ride. Still neck and neck for second and third.
It's all coming back to me. I should have stayed in the light. It's all coming back to me. I never walked from a fight. It's all
We are just about to finish up Honolulu Bay and coming up to Diamond Head now, where we're gonna do the water swap. But the guy in third is only about 500 yards behind, so we're gonna have to make this swap quick so he doesn't lose too much ground.
don't feel right, baby. We're floating down again. Till the sun don't feel right, baby. I'll be doing all I can.
much going on right now. We got all kind of foilers going everywhere, windsurfers, and we got the guy in third catching up to my dad right now.
Not making sense to me. Do they think that we can't think? They expect us to bend the knee, but we are lions pushed to the brink. What they wanted is plain to see. They take the swing, but we won't flinch.
All right, update. We are coming into Waikiki. The water is absolutely beautiful. Are you kidding me? Turquoise blue. Looks like it's back to neck and neck for second and third. No idea where first place is. And we got two different strategies going on. We got one guy taking the outside and dad is taking the inside. So we'll see which strategy works best. Absolutely beautiful day. Love it out here. Kind of got me thinking I should race next year. Maybe stand-up foil would be the preferred method. I don't like winging. I don't really like stand-up paddleboarding, but stand-up foil could work. Update. We are done with Waikiki. We're now in front of Alamana Beach, passing Kewalo Basin, and the next stretch will be all the way to Sand Island. Looks like Dad has dropped back into third place, just by a little bit. So we'll see if he can catch some bumps or something to boost him back into second. Been a pretty sick race. Been out here for 3 hours now, nearing the end. Pretty awesome.
All escort vessels in the Hawaiian Blue Water Hawaii Classic. Race official. You guys be advised through traffic. Keep an eye out as you guys crossing channels at the Hawaii and Kewalo Basin for inbound and outbound traffic.
You got 10 minutes to make the channel before a big boat comes out.
When you shut on time, but your road is long, meaning it's something to get there just before dawn. But all you gotta do is pick up the phone and dial. I never on the one you want. I'm not the type who likes to boast, but I'm 24/7 and coast to coast, and there ain't no women on the 18 wheels. Hot shot trucker, and it's gonna get good to you in less than 24 hours.
He's worse. You go into the point and here comes Jimmy. I'm like, God, son, he took the inside line.